Hello, 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 and welcome to Casey's Craft Space. My name's Catherine. I'm your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we got an exciting unboxing. We have, like I promised last week, we have the month by month album retreat 2025 from Stampin' Up! We're going to dive into that real quick. This is taking place. Stampin' Up! Will be having their first virtual album retreat, July 16th through the 18th, from 2 p.m., that's Mountain Time, till 10:30 p.m. And that's pretty much a full day, and we got a couple of days, so it's a retreat, a virtual retreat, so you gather all your photos. I have some photos that I got, so we'll be picking out a few items there, and you'll be making 12 album sheets. Let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the first time I'm getting into this box, so it's pretty exciting. It's like Christmas. Let me take all this out. Put the box aside. Wow, look at all these goodies. So, wow. Let's delve into this right away. So, they have everything pre-cut and pre-bagged for us. We have 12 from January, February, March, April, just to give you an idea. A couple May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And the beauty of this, you can follow along. There's going to be a live Facebook. Let's see here. We got twine. We got our photo place card holders. So ahead of time, you can go ahead and cut down your photos. So there's a little prep work, but that's always fun. And definitely have, let's see here, some stamps. Beautiful. Oh, got a couple more stamp sets. Let's look at that. Numbers, letters. So you get 3 stamp sets. I know this is a high point price item, but look, you get 3 stamp sets that you can use later. Oh, I love that banner. I don't have one of those banners yet. Wow. You get flip flaps. You get to put these on your particular page. You put your photos in there, and that way you can, you get more photos on a page. The natural matte dots. All this fun stuff. More flip flaps. They even give you the printed sheets of the month by month stamp set. Ooh, and then the back. Wow. So then you can put those inside your holders. A little stamp holder. Yeah, fun. So pretty much everything is done for you, except you get your pictures. Put that aside, and you also get your plastic sheets. I'm going to go through this pretty quick, and then I don't know if you can see this on the camera too well. Pull it out. I'll probably cut out a lot of these dies prior to going to the virtual event. That way, I'll have it all set and ready. We'll just pull out this January one right now. Die cut. Oh, this is a pretty firm die cut. Nice. And then the J is all separate. So definitely, so I can save myself some time, I'll go ahead and punch out all my die cuts for each month. Beautiful. Make sure I don't lose that. And put that back in the bag. So then we got a couple of extra paper here. You can use your own stamp pads, and I'm sure they're going to show us and describe different items that we use for this paper. Oh, here's some more die cuts, or just paper that has little design on it. I'm not sure all that is going to be used for all this, but we're going to have fun. This is where the circles have already been cut out for you. So this will be a layout. Once again, you get 12 spread album. That's quite a few, so one for each month. Look at these die cuts. Beautiful, vibrant colors. So pretty. Nice. And we have more of the, everything is individually wrapped, so that's good. So I can go ahead and pull off these die cuts and keep them in the bag. And then when we're ready to stamp on those, I'll have them ready. More die cuts. So here, they label each of them a project 1. And over a course of 3 days, we'll go ahead and do each project. Let's open up project 1 for now. This is January, but the beauty of this is you can make your own design. You can follow along or just make your own. If you don't particularly care for these colors for January, you can switch them out. Look at all this. Everything is cut. If you're a scrapbooker, you know that takes a lot of time to prep. They've already done that, so wow, that takes a lot of the time out of cutting all those strips. So we got project 1, project 2. I love those colors. Wow. Project 3, and the beauty of this particular, all these colors coordinate with Stampin' Up! Colors. So you can make more pages later on. Project 4, project 5. Oh, pretty. And then here's project 6. Pretty. Love these colors. Look at, they give you the white backing paper, the album paper. And look at these pretty cutouts. Lovely pictures. Oh, look at these. Oh, and then I bet you can even color. Look at that. You can color that if you'd like. It's going to be some fun stuff. I just love that they prepped everything for you. All right, and project 7. A little black and white. Oh, look at this color. Project 8. Oh, 9. Oh, this one seems really big. Wow. Look at this beautiful. Oh, cardstock, cream color, vanilla. Look at all that. Oh, ooh, what fun. Project 10, Project 11, and Project 12. Let's see what 12 is. I'll do a couple of different ones. I love these colors. So I pre-ordered some photos. Got those already. And I'm going to just do some photos of my animals, my labs, Jagger and Jojo. Cute little nose. Yeah, and so I'll probably clip and cut and size down these photos. But at least I have a few to choose from. Some more beautiful cardstock. Love it. Oh, I love these colors. And they're not your typical, you know, they're holiday colors, but you can definitely spin it so it's the different theme if you don't want to do holiday. Wow, pretty colors. All right, that was the last one. So you get 12 projects. It's pretty beautiful. Wow. So once again, this is July 16th through the 18th, and it starts at 2 p.m. Mountain Time, so that's 4 p.m. Eastern. And if you're interested, you need to purchase the kit first, and then that will give you access to the exclusive Facebook page. But how you purchase a kit, you just want to go to catherinechalfin.stampinup.net, click on the virtual album retreat button, and sign you up, and then definitely get back in touch with me so we can coordinate and have fun. It's a virtual event, so everybody will be getting together online on the Facebook page. It's a private Facebook page that's going to go on. And don't worry about, you know, if for some reason you can't complete the 12 items or the 12 months in 3 days, you can go back and actually watch the video and go at your own speed, or, you know, do what you would like to do. So anyway, I hope to see you, actually, or hear from you for the virtual album retreat. Have a good day, and we'll see you soon.